Hello guys, me somehow akwaba eba fufu TV. So of course, me doing the kwame trimisi. And a business now, I discuss a business you can start with no money. The name of the business is Pre-Order Group. And a pre-order business. Say we order nyama ama amanfo from China to Ghana. This business, you can start with no money. A lot of young people have gotten started with this business and they are making a lot of profits from it. With this business, you can even get your profits before even ordering the items for your customers. This video, I'm doing it with Sister Nancy. And I'll pass over to your Sister Nancy. Now, I'll do the breakdown in regards to the benefits of pre-order business and how you can also get started with your own pre-order business in Ghana. Sister Nancy, please take it over.
See a creative pre-order group na. Die here ne say wadan for 4 hours on your more WhatsApp. Na your friend say unim dada no. Ebia na oton ade dada anase ebia afena washa ase onton hwe. Yeah, obetimi aposti say oh ebia me be start pre-order bi anase obe posti pictures of products or person who pre-order status so now your friend is saying what you may be available on pre-order aine inti say omu contact say oh ebia omu pay bia you just have to create a WhatsApp group into create WhatsApp group na what the wadan for nyina ka mu ni wobusuafo nyina ka group no ho na ebia what to pre-order ni din ebia din bia opese wo de money bia na wo de amano inti say the ese wo ye ne say sisi we creating group in a say obi ehu say ebia wo post inyama wo group nim into one advice nso amesama say wo creating group na best thing senia ebia obi an forward bibia anto group nim no ye wo portion wo WhatsApp a obetimi allocate your friend say group na obi antimi in chat wo mu senia ebema wo business na aflow obi nya information na ebia or share manadan fofo a ebi ba be group nim ti say wo creating group na o de wadan fofo ni webusuafo group ni ma say ese ope enuama oposti a nkofo beto sometimes no untimi hu say ebia ade we na nkofo pe into uko app no so obetimi ahwehwe images bebre wo honom into they download the images no na hwehwe prices of them ewo your friend say China apps na obe use no okay inti u download the pictures of enuama na opese uposti or pre-order group ni no yes say oye pricing of products no inti pricing of products no ehu hia pa inti most of times no ye no mu bi no ye pre-order pricing the same ye no inti yenya so ko bisa shipping company na obe use no ana nipa obeto China yen efri ne ho ana dollar your friend is saying bank obe use for visa or visa card for payments no bisa so bisa o rate no ti say RMB na obe use e de ato won niama na uko bisa ebia nipa obeto RMB ne efri ne ho no ma best advice ye be catch on say reduce rate na ebia o mama 0.65 say 0.65 na mo de mawa best advice I'm on say use 0.45 because abribian rate me to it's me reduce it's me conform to be on the safer side into say use 0.54 now with that one ebia what take orders for 2 weeks and I say 1 month now oba beton one niama na say oba na rate is still the same price and no it goes to your own benefits but say oba na say price no ebia about format because we reduce you by maybe 3.5 4 no it won't affect you because it will be within that range send near your friend is say bia we wajiji order say we no mboka abra oba beto to eniama no na bia so work profit ewo bia we hu cost of products no you are supposed to work a profit percent on it send near sa profit percent no be ye wo fa so a obenya ane inti the ebe ne say most of times no ebi mo use 30%, ebi mo use 25%. Sometimes so ebi mo hu ebi a cost of item no mo hu percentage or mo be use. Nti no sa percentage dey depend wo. Ebi mo use 30, ebi use 25, ebi mo so wo ho no ma. Omo hwe say ebi a products ne price wo from ebi a bag bi wo ho no ko hu no ebi a 20 cedis a. Omo timi ye no ebi a 30%. Na ebi obi omo so omo hu ebi a fridge because ne boy e den nti na ebi omo be use 15%. Because if you use 30% now, cost of product now are very high. But so also Kai say if your percentage now we use you should cut across. The reason why I make can say if you in many people no ma'am because of senya ne kesi 18 nti say if a bagana shipping fee no say if Oma low cost na say ship at the end bana shipping fee ni higher. Most of the clients no finding difficult say to shipping fee no because of costs na all the money panel. Into most of times me advice say mo use Google Sheets. Google Sheets no you create some tabs at the Google Sheets na ebetimi aboa fridge na auto a high sense a high sense no fridge no ebi 500 liters no omo ton be say 8,000 ewo your friend say Ghana hanoma osha ebi cost na auto China ni very less but sometimes a big gadgets na me advice say most of times bisa supplier no either the package dimension and a CBM no na your friend say oko it be a shipping company now we use omo na ka che omo say omo share estimate of ABR fridge we are water no a bar we almost share shipping fee ben na we be obetimi ato shipping companies bi wo ho no mo obetimi aye estimate na ma into we estimate na ma wa na wa o dey compensate so they can a be a cost of products na o to every China no a be a better say obeto wo Ghana ha since obe order wo China ho nti enye bibi everything bia na order wo China ho ese say o compare prices. They say compare prices and inti inyama bi wo ho no ma ne bo for China ban o de beba Ghana no because of packaging ne ko yekesi inti imagine shipping fee no so ebe kesi obi be bisa me say then products ben na enya advisable say obe order free China the bit say gas ben na dey me advice say for free China ba because e bia obenya wo China ho no 1,600 obe ba ha no na obi to shipping fee be say 1,200 e bi wo ho kra wan ye lucky kra na e bia package size no was stroke akra na dollar rate no so was stroke akra obi timi atua be say 1,500 so the kokanwa utia almost 3,000 plus aba oko Ghana ha no mo betimi enya no be say 2,000 something inti sa your friend say sa gadgets bi wo ho no ma advice amema ne say o dey call market no and I call ebia prices wholesale shops obe who say prices no from no apike price no ho no wa peke picture no na ebia oje price no ha na o de kakra ka ho na wa be posti eno no sa no ya obetimi aka che almost say it's available within 2 weeks 3 weeks betimi enya omunsa ka product no inti se unya o prices na uposti wo group ni mu se unya bibia ye friend it say ebia rules and regulation in the group inti se omo ye friend say amanfo no omo group ni mu ti ase say niama na wo order no your friend is for a period of 45 to 60 days depending company I will use you so mamoti as say I better take 2 months and send a package in Ghana you won't go for you no ma take orders the 1 month and they take you orders into take orders new year and send to turn niama no so ebasa na send me nka package no ebia instantly weti omusika inti ss omote de omoye na sesenia obi ambe ma o pressure na yes yetete ewa TikTok and I say other social media say a shipping fee boy di ubeto a product we ane inti na make her say answer na ebia ubeto adia shipping no this our supplier no dimension no ne shipping company na obe use no normal ma estimate send now Uniama neba omboka and I say customers complaining say ABR o product no ne boy din. And another thing so I say oma wan on for who say ebia payment validates your order nti se omo entua ka untimi ento package name omo ebia se what the one kasa osika na beto extra ba no ma omo ati ase se mede mia sika to extra ba ebia omo nya no the same pre-order price no ebe ko so kakra okra pre-order group na ebia o dwen senia obenya a lot of people are joining a group on betimi ato nya ma free ho utimi ko TikTok ane utimi ko TikTok ebia wo TikTok account dada secrets ba kwa metimi aka kire mu de say okọ TikTok na your friend say ebia oye video for ebia o items are post to pre-order group ni na opese unya more clients eba o pre-order group ni mu a ebia take enyum bi ebia enyum ma eye popular o take na o ade a nti ebia yo baby a obetimi atro bibi kakra wo honom nti hashtag edu hashtag na hashtag nipa na oto nyom no ebe ma nkofo bebre omko no omko search enyom na ombehu o pre-order ye friend say o video so beba nti omani boss wa ombetimi ayeden ebia I like o page no etimi follow pre-order group no o leave link behind your pre-order group na and I say obetimi post wo either your WhatsApp your any of your social media handles, yes, to get more clients. So one thing about pre-order, they say but your uma price here moderator. A lot of people patronize from you, yeah. But say uma ebia price no echo so higher, preventing from patronizing from me because pre-order no be brain ebuso obi eye pre-order ni bi. So to stay safe, na ebia oto inyama na inyama ni bedu Ghana. Ese uye video ma utie for who say yes ampa onso ye pre-order ni bi na onyama na beduja na eye quality nso. It is say yes a videos na post here. Nkofo be hu say ahyase no krani nyame ni ahyase no den kakra because afena nkofo bi build a trust because obi honom kra ohun da wa join no group no into obeso wa hwe ebi obeto eniama prices no from no mo pese eniama ni bedu no mo hu quality na ansa na omo ato nti eniama ni bedu na quality nso dia ombe recommend o madam fofo no mo abusuafo nti nyi na kakra nkra aha na ene ye di mu besi nti munsan hwe ye nim kwan se next time so ye besa day video for Abraham akwemu ebema mo business na kwa one say any first time oba sa channel yiswa ye be pese obe subscribe na any uploaded new videos bia ebeba wa akwemu bia no obetimi enya ho notification na obetimi ahwe na etimi abo. Bye bye, see you next time.
Thank you so much, Sister Nancy, for taking us through the pre-order business. And therefore, if you are thinking of starting this mini importation now, pre-order business, is an option for you. In case you are thinking of buying things from China and you don't know how to do it now, we also have a pre-order group you can join. In this pre-order group, we are winning products, and also any product you want to buy from China, if it's legal on Kwandia, able to me at all at their bro. And you can also join Fofoofo pre-order group. With the link at the description section below, click it so and join the group. When you go on our website, fofoofo.com, so we'll be in that link to join this group. Within the Kwame Chumisi, I'll see you guys in our next video. It's a bye for now.